Alright, today what I'm going to do is show you how to bisect and swing arc on how to establish perpendicular lines and 90-degree lines on a straight line.
Yeah.
Alright, first what we're going to do here is establish a straight line. So what I'm going to do is get my straight edge and just make a straight line. And then inside this straight line, I'm just going to establish a starting point. For this demonstration today, I'm just going to kind of pick somewhere in the middle. It doesn't matter where you put it when you're swinging arcs. It could be closer down here or farther down there. It's wherever you want. But just for today, what I'll do is I'll put a starting point right here and I'll mark that SP. All right, now with my starting point established, what I'm going to do is get a set of dividers, compass, or you can use a tape measure, and I'm going to swing an arc and make 2 marks on my straight line. So I'm coming out here, put it right on my SP, put a mark here, and then I'm going to swing it around to the other side and make a mark right here. So now what I have established on my line with my starting point are 2 equal distances, and I have them highlighted in red. And I'm going to change the crayon right now, or my pencil, to a different color. This way you can see in different colors, step by step, what we're doing. So now, with my 2 established points on my line, I have to open up my dividers at least twice the distance, or 1.5 times. So if you can see, I'm on this mark right here, and I'm open way past my starting point. So now what I'm going to do is come up above my starting point and swing an arc here. Now you got to come to the other side of your established swing arc and swing another mark. Sometimes what I like to do is come down below the line, put a swing mark, come back over, and then put another swing mark. Now my 2 blue X's over the top of my starting line are going to be a perfect perpendicular line and establish a 90-degree line. So what I'll do is I get my straight edge, line up my X's, bring it down here, line up that X, line up this X, and just draw a straight line through my X's. What we've done right now, we established a 90-degree line, or perpendicular line, from our first line. Now what we could also do is you could also, besides making it 90 degrees, I could also bisect the 90-degree marks right here and make a 45-degree line. So I'll switch out my pencil. Now with this one, it doesn't matter. You don't have to open up your compass anymore. You can set it at a certain point and just go with it on each line. So what I could do is I'll just come here at my starting point, make a mark, come above, make another mark, and then off these 2 lines that I just established, make X's. Come here, and I go right here. Now from this point to that point, I established a 45-degree line. I'll just get to my starting point, get my straight edge, line it up with my X, and right there. Now we established a 45-degree line. We have a 90-degree and a 45-degree. You can do that in each quadrant, and you can bisect each angle. And you can, this way you could divide the box in 8 different spots and put a bunch of different 45s and 90s. And that's how you bisect and make 90-degree angles with a swing arc theory. Thank you.